cruise day, and you're probably thinking, what is he doing? Well, I'm taking video footage of our suitcases in good working condition, so if they get on the ship and something happens to be broken, I can show this to guest services. Cruise day. It's 10:07. We'll see how long it takes us to get in there. Ran through everything. We're headed up. It only took about 50 minutes. The ship wasn't ready for people to get on board yet. Let's do this. Hey, we made it! Fitting that mustard drill is in the casino. I like it. And now that our mustard drill is out of the way, time to go check out the Lido. This is probably the most empty this area will ever be during the cruise. And then we're off to find lunch. Alright, made it to the Lido. On the Lido deck. Got about 5 hours until we set sail. Lunchtime. Off to find ice cream. Said lunch, Shack Sneak Chicken. Check it out if you haven't. Highly recommend it. Our next cruise will be spending a lot of time back here. This is the water park and a mini golf course. We will have the kids with us next time. Deck 17, just waiting to see if the rooms are ready. We're getting high this cruise, just because our room is normally on deck 6. This time we're on 17. Got an upgrade offer for interior spa cabin, so we'll have unlimited thermal suite access, if you didn't know. Alright, and as I mentioned, we are on deck 17. This will be our first time being up this high, and our first time with an interior room. Let's check it out. Because we did upgrade, my wife didn't know. We got the spa cabin, so we get unlimited access to the thermal suites. It was only like $100 upgrade. And we have our own elevator that you need a spa key in order to operate, I was told. So, a little fridge, a little bit smaller. Basically, we're just missing the couch from ocean view stateroom that we're used to. And here's the restroom. secret elevator, you're gonna go left out of your room, walk a little ways down the hallway until you see the sign on your left, thermal suite elevator. And then you're gonna take that left and the elevator will be here on your left. When you get in the elevator, you're gonna hold your room key to the scanner for 3 seconds. It'll turn green and then you can select either 5 for the spa or 17 for your room floor.
Shake the ground, you know what's coming. Woo! Come on! For the Mardi Gras. Oh yeah, here we go. Let's do it. We're gonna jump and wave. Every time we jump and wave, we make this noise. Yes! Look at this guy! Whoa! Watch out! Around the cruise ship, inside, outside. Give it Sasha, give it Sasha. Okay, there he is.
Day 1, headed to dinner. Good evening. Just got done with dinner. Now we're waiting for showtime and meet your cruise director. And what did you think of dinner?
Getting here, I see it's absolutely packed this evening, as you can tell. So thanks for coming out. Oh, yes, we got Sarah from Connecticut.
Moving up slowly, he got juju eyeballs, he won. Holy roller, he got bakery soul. Memories of mine,
Just got done with Rock Revolution. Day 1 in the books, Embarkation Day. Now we're gonna head to the casino. So this is probably where I'll leave you for the night. We'll be back tomorrow for more fun. We actually hit the late night pizza after the casino and then went to bed. Hope you guys enjoyed day 1 of our cruise vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.